Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable camera mode on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen, okay, tap the gear icon. And okay guys, here in camera settings, in useful feature section, you can see these settings to keep. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, here in setting to keep, you can see the camera mode. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, start camera and the last use mode such as video instead of always starting in photo mode. And okay guys, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disable camera mode on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.